Hello, welcome to my Sound Different. So today is a snow day and tomorrow it's gonna be like 20 something degrees. Right now I'm snacking on leftovers of my cake. It's obviously fudge cake, and I also have these chocolates here. I've been munching on, as you can see. And then I went to the store and I got these little things. When I had stopped and got snacks at the Dollar Tree, I went and got these, and some pens. And since my notebook's already full, I got this one. So more pages to fill. Originally I was using this stuff, which is like, I have I think like a couple pages left. Yeah, I have 2 pages left. That's it. So just in time that I got something. Try this. Those are good. I think it's 3. There's the 3. So you can hang this. Just put it on a hook. I have magnetic hooks that can just hang this from the ceiling, but I don't think this is motion censored. Some of them are, this one's not, so that wouldn't help. So you just twist it off. And then like this. Screw it back on or snap it back on. But it works. It looks good. Pretty good. Off, on. That's some good light for this little thing. Wow. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you guys again soon on my Sound Different.